Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the circuit safe and isolating the component you will test. Once verified de-energized, disconnect the conductor ends and bleed any stored charge so readings aren't skewed. Set the insulation continuity tester to the correct test voltage for the insulation class. Choose 250 V for low voltage and up to 5 kV for high voltage systems. Make sure your leads and clips are in good condition. Poor contact will ruin the measurement. Proceed to connect the tester, leads to the conductor and the reference ground. You press the test button and watch the voltage ramp. This prevents sudden stress that might mask defects. Once the target voltage is reached, hold the test for the specified duration, usually 1 minute, to let the reading stabilize and reveal absorption characteristics. Use the guard terminal when surface leakage could distort the result. Link guard to separate leakage path so only bulk insulation is measured. Record the resistance in megohms and note any voltage drop or abnormal decay. These patterns tell you about moisture, contamination. You stop the test and immediately discharge the device under test to a safe potential. Never assume it is dead. Make sure to remove the tester leads in the correct order and then reconnect the system for normal operation. Compare the measured insulation resistance to manufacturer specs or baseline trends to decide acceptability. If readings are low, look for contamination, moisture, or damaged insulation. Clean, dry, or repair the affected area and retest. If results remain unclear, consult an advanced diagnostic method or a specialist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.